হেল্ল' গাইজ, আপোনালোক সকলোকে মোৰ চেনেলটোলৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি মই অসম সাধাৰণ জ্ঞানৰ 100টা অতি গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ আলোচনা কৰিম। গতিকে আপোনালোকে ভিডিঅ'টো প্ৰথমৰ পৰা শেষলৈকে চাব। কুৱেশ্যন নাম্বাৰ 1, হোৱাট ইজ দ্য নেম অফ দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট আছামিজ ড্ৰামা ব্ৰডকাষ্ট অন অল ইণ্ডিয়া ৰেডিঅ' ইন 1935? 1935 চনত অল ইণ্ডিয়া ৰেডিঅ'ত সম্প্ৰচাৰিত হোৱা প্ৰথম অসমীয়া নাটকখনৰ নাম কি? The correct answer is option B, Bin Boiragi. Bin Boiragi was the first Assamese drama broadcast on All India Radio in 1935. Question number 2. What was the name of the first Assamese comedy film? প্ৰথম অসমীয়া হাস্য ব্যংগ ৰসাত্মক ছবিখনৰ নাম কি আছিল? The correct answer is option A, Itu Hitu Bohutu. Itu Hitu Bohutu was the first Assamese comedy film. The first Assamese comedy film was Itu Hitu Bohutu, directed by Brojen Borua. The film was released on 22 November 1963. Question number 3. What is the name of the only Hindi film directed by Dr. Bhobendranath Soikia? Dr. Bhobendranath Soikiar পৰিচালনাত নিৰ্মিত একমাত্ৰ হিন্দী ছবিখনৰ নাম কি? The correct answer is option B, Kal Sondhya. Dr. Bhobendranath Soikia directed one Hindi film, Kal Sondhya, in 1997. Question number 4. Brahmaputra after joining Tista River is known as Brahmaputra Tista নদীত যোগ দিয়াৰ পিছত নামেৰে জনাজাত? The correct answer is option A, Jamuna. Brahmaputra after joining Tista River is known as Jamuna. Question number 5. The first book fair in Assam was held at? অসমৰ প্ৰথমখন গ্ৰন্থমেলা অনুষ্ঠিত হয়? The correct answer is option B, Nagaon. The first book fair in Assam was held at Nagaon. Question number 6. Who is known as the Lion Man of Assam? অসমৰ সিংহ পুৰুষ বুলি কাক জনা যায়? The correct answer is option D, Radha Gobind Borua. Radha Gobind Borua is known as the Lion Man of Assam. Question number 7. Which politician is called the Iron Man of Assam? কোনজন ৰাজনীতিবিদক অসমৰ লৌহ পুৰুষ বুলি কোৱা হয়? The correct answer is option D, Bishnuram Medhi. Bishnuram Medhi is called the Iron Man of Assam. Question number 8. Where is the headquarters of first APBN located in Assam? প্ৰথম APBNৰ মুখ্য কাৰ্যালয় অসমত ক'ত অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option D, Shivsagar. The headquarters of the first Assam Police Battalion, APBN, is located at Ligripukhuri in Shivsagar district. Question number 9. In which year was the Police Act of 1861 introduced in Assam? অসমত 1861 চনৰ আৰক্ষী আইনখন কোন চনত প্ৰৱৰ্তন কৰা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option A, 1862. The Police Act of 1861 was introduced in Assam in 1862. Question number 10. Where is the headquarters of the Director General of Police of Assam located? অসমৰ আৰক্ষী সঞ্চালক প্ৰধানৰ মুখ্য কাৰ্যালয় ক'ত অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option B, Ulubari. The headquarters of the Director General of Police of Assam is located at Ulubari. Question number 11. In which year was the Assam Rifles formed? কোন চনত অসম ৰাইফলছ গঠন হৈছিল? The correct answer is option A, 1835. The Assam Rifles was formed in 1835. The Assam Rifles was formed in 1835 as the Kasar Levy, but it was later renamed as Assam Rifles in 1917. Question number 12. Where is the headquarters of the Assam Rifles located? অসম ৰাইফলছৰ মুখ্য কাৰ্যালয় ক'ত অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option A, Shillong. The headquarters of the Assam Rifles is located at Shillong. Question number 13. In which year was the Criminal Investigation Department established in Assam? কোন বছৰত অসমত অপৰাধ অনুসন্ধান বিভাগ স্থাপন হৈছিল? The correct answer is option D, 1913. The Criminal Investigation Department was established in Assam in 1913. Question number 14. In which place of Assam is Assam Police Training College located? অসমৰ কোন ঠাইত অসম আৰক্ষী প্ৰশিক্ষণ মহাবিদ্যালয় অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option D, Dergaon. The Assam Police Training College is located at Dergaon. Question number 15. In Assamese literature, who was known as উপন্যাস সম্ৰাট? অসমীয়া সাহিত্যত উপন্যাস সম্ৰাট নামেৰে কোন পৰিচিত আছিল? The correct answer is option C, Rajanikanta Bordoloi. In Assamese literature, Rajanikanta Bordoloi was known as উপন্যাস সম্ৰাট. Question number 16. In which year was the Jyoti Chitrabon established? কোন চনত জ্যোতি চিত্ৰবন প্ৰতিষ্ঠা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option A, 1961. The Jyoti Chitrabon was established in 1961. Question number 17. Who was the first Muslim ruler to invade Kamrup? কামৰূপ আক্ৰমণ কৰা প্ৰথম মুছলমান শাসক কোন? The correct answer is option B, Bekhtiyar Khilji. Bekhtiyar Khilji was the first Muslim ruler to invade Kamrup. Question number 18. Who is the founder of Satriya dance in Assam? অসমত সত্ৰীয়া নৃত্যৰ প্ৰতিষ্ঠাপক কোন? The correct answer is option C, Shankardev. Shankardev is the founder of Satriya dance in Assam. Question number 19. The Bagurumba dance belongs to which tribe of Assam? বাগৰুম্বা নৃত্য অসমৰ কোনটো জনগোষ্ঠীৰ হয়? The correct answer is option A, Bodo tribe. The Bagurumba dance belongs to the Bodo tribe of Assam. Question number 20. When is Mohoho গীত sung in Assam? মহুহু গীত অসমত কেতিয়া গোৱা হয়? The correct answer is option A, on the full moon of the month of Aghun. Mohuhu Geet is sung on the full moon of the month of Aghun. Question number 21. What is the youth dormitory of the Tiwa tribe of Assam called? অসমৰ তিৱা জনজাতিৰ ডেকা চাঙক কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? The correct answer is option B, Samadhi. The youth dormitory of the Tiwa tribe of Assam is called Samadhi. Question number 22. What is the name of the festival celebrated by the Karbi people in honor of the dead? কাৰ্বি ৰাইজে মৃতকৰ সন্মানত পালন কৰা উৎসৱৰ নাম কি? The correct answer is option D, Somankan. Somankan festival is celebrated by the Karbi people in honor of the dead. Question number 23. Which Kamrup king shifted his capital from Kamrup Nagar to Komotapur? কোনজন কামৰূপ ৰজাই নিজৰ ৰাজধানী কামৰূপ নগৰৰ পৰা কমতাপুৰলৈ স্থানান্তৰিত কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option A, King Sondhya. King Sondhya shifted his capital from Kamrup Nagar to Komotapur. Question number 24. Who constructed Joysagar tank and Joy Dole? জয়সাগৰ পুখুৰী আৰু জয়দৌল কোনে নিৰ্মাণ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option D, Rudra Singha. Rudra Singha constructed Joysagar tank and Joydol. Question number 25. Who built Dhodar Ali and Umananda temple? ধুধৰ আলী আৰু উমানন্দ মন্দিৰ কোনে নিৰ্মাণ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option A, Godadhar Singha. Godadhar Singha built Dhodar Ali and Umananda temple. Question number 26. Who is the author of Tariq-i-Assam or Fateha-i-Ibriya? Tariq-i-Ahom বা Fateha-i-Ibriyar লেখক কোন? The correct answer is option C, Shihabuddin Talis. Shihabuddin Talis is the author of Tariq-e-Assam or Fateha-e-Ibrea? Question number 27. When did the Phuloguri Dewa take place? Phuloguri Dewa ketia hoisil? The correct answer is option C, 1861. The Phuloguri Dewa took place in 1861. Question number 28. When was the Treaty of Yandabu signed? Yandabu Sandhi ketia স্বাক্ষরিত হৈছিল? The correct answer is option B, February 24, 1826. The Treaty of Yandabu was signed on February 24, 1826. Question number 29. In which year was the Assam Association formed? Ahom Association কোন চনত গঠিত হৈছিল? The correct answer is option D, 1903. The Assam Association was formed in 1903. Question number 30. Who is the author of Grammatical Notes on the Assamese language? Grammatical Notes on the Assamese language or লেখক কোন? The correct answer is option B, Nathan Brown. Nathan Brown is the author of Grammatical Notes on the Assamese language. Question number 31. Who translated the Mahabharata into Assamese? কোনে মহাভাৰতখন অসমীয়ালৈ অনুবাদ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option C, Ram Saraswati. Ram Saraswati translated the Mahabharata into Assamese. Question number 32. Who is the author of the novel Miri Jeori? Miri Jeori উপন্যাসখনৰ লেখক কোন? The correct answer is option D, Rajanikanta Bordoloi. Rajanikanta Bordoloi is the author of the novel Miri Jeori. Question number 33. Who was the first General Secretary of the Assam Sahitya Sabha? অসম সাহিত্য সভাৰ প্ৰথম সাধাৰণ সম্পাদক কোন আছিল? The correct answer is option C, Sharat Chandra Goswami. Sharat Chandra Goswami was the first General Secretary of the Assam Sahitya Sabha. Question number 34. In which year and where was the first session of the Assam Sahitya Sabha held? কোন বছৰত আৰু ক'ত অসম সাহিত্য সভাৰ প্ৰথম অধিৱেশন অনুষ্ঠিত হৈছিল? The correct answer is option B, 1917, Shivsagar. The first session of the Assam Sahitya Sabha was held in 1917 in Shivsagar. Question number 35. Who was the first editor of Jonaki? Jonakir প্ৰথম সম্পাদক কোন আছিল? The correct answer is option C, Chandra Kumar Agarwala. Chandra Kumar Agarwala was the first editor of Jonaki. Question number 36. Who wrote the Ramayana in Assamese? কোনে অসমীয়াত ৰামায়ণ ৰচনা কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option D, Madhav Kondoli. Madhav Kondoli wrote the Ramayana in Assamese. Question number 37. Who is the author of the book Hasti Vidyarnabha? Hasti Vidyarnabha গ্ৰন্থৰ লেখক কোন? The correct answer is option D, Sukumar Borkait. Sukumar Borkait is the author of the book Hasti Vidyarnabha. Question number 38. Which was the first poetical work of Shankardev? শংকৰদেৱৰ প্ৰথম কাব্যিক ৰচনা কোনখন আছিল? The correct answer is option C, Harishchandra Upakhyan. Harishchandra Upakhyan was the first poetical work of Shankardev. Question number 39. Which was the first Assamese women's magazine? প্ৰথম অসমীয়া মহিলা আলোচনী কোনখন আছিল? The correct answer is option B, Ghor Jeuti. The first Assamese women's magazine was Ghor Jeuti. Question number 40. Which person's pseudonym is Bina Borua? কোনজন ব্যক্তিৰ ছদ্মনাম বিনা বৰুৱা? The correct answer is option C, Birinchi Kumar Borua. Bina Borua is the pseudonym of Birinchi Kumar Borua. Question number 41. Which person's pseudonym is Shilobhodra? কোনজন ব্যক্তিৰ ছদ্মনাম শিলভদ্ৰ? The correct answer is option B. Reboti Mohan Datta Chaudhuri. Shilobhadra is the pseudonym of Reboti Mohan Datta Chaudhuri. Question number 42. Who is the author of the book Asamiya Natya Sahitya? Asamiya Naitya Sahitya গ্ৰন্থখনৰ লেখক কোন? The correct answer is option A. Saityendranath Sharma. Saityendranath Sharma is the author of the book Asamiya Natya Sahitya. Question number 43. Who wrote the book Asaমৰ সংস্কৃতি? অসমৰ সংস্কৃতি গ্ৰন্থখন কোনে ৰচনা কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option A. Leela Gogoi. Leela Gogoi wrote the book Asaমৰ সংস্কৃতি. Question number 44. What is the name of the traditional religion of the Karbi people? কাৰ্বি জনগোষ্ঠীৰ পৰম্পৰাগত ধৰ্মৰ নাম কি? The correct answer is option B. Aronban. The traditional religion of the Karbi people is called Aronban. Question number 45. Who is the author of the book Pita Putra? Pita Putra গ্ৰন্থখনৰ লেখক কোন? The correct answer is option D. Homen Borgohain. Homen Borgohain is the author of the book Pita Putra. Question number 46. In which year did Dr. Bhupen Hazarika receive the Sangit Natak Academy Award? কোন বছৰত ডক্টৰ ভূপেন হাজৰিকাই সংগীত নাটক অকাডেমি বঁটা লাভ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option B. 1987. Dr. Bhupen Hazarika received the Sangit Natak Academy Award in 1987. Question number 47. Who wrote the book A Few Remarks on Assamese Language? A Few Remarks on Assamese Language গ্ৰন্থখন কোনে লিখিছিল? The correct answer is option C. Anandaram Dhekial Phukon. Anandaram Dhekial Phukon wrote the book A Few Remarks on Assamese Language. Question number 48. In which year was the book A Few Remarks on Assamese Language published? A Few Remarks on Assamese Language গ্ৰন্থখন কোন চনত প্ৰকাশ পাইছিল? The correct answer is option A. 1855. The book A Few Remarks on Assamese Language was published in 1855. Question number 49. The play Ram Navami was written by. Ram Navami নাটকখন লিখিছিল? The correct answer is option D. Gunabhiram Borua. The play Ram Navami was written by Gunabhiram Borua. Question number 50. Who wrote the book Sudharmar Upakhyan? Sudharmar Upakhyan গ্ৰন্থখন কোনে লিখিছিল? The correct answer is option A. Padmavati Devi Phukononi. Padmavati Devi Phukononi wrote the book Sudharmar Upakhyan. Question number 51. Who is the director of the Assamese film Mission China? অসমীয়া ছবি মিছন চাইনাৰ পৰিচালক কোন? The correct answer is option B. Jubin Garg. Jubin Garg is the director of the Assamese film Mission China. Question number 52. Which of the following Indian state is called the land of liquid gold? তলৰ কোনখন ভাৰতীয় ৰাজ্যক পনীয়া সোণৰ দেশ বুলি কোৱা হয়? The correct answer is option C. Assam. Assam is called the land of liquid gold. Question number 53. Which Ahom king is known as Bhogonia Raja in the Buronjis? কোনজন আহোম ৰজাক বুৰঞ্জীত ভগনীয়া ৰজা বুলি জনা যায়? The correct answer is option D. Jayadhar Singha. Jayadhar Singha is known as Bhogonia Raja in the Buronjis. Question number 54. In which year did Koch King Naranarayan die? কোন বছৰত কোচ ৰজা নৰনাৰায়ণৰ মৃত্যু হৈছিল? The correct answer is option B. 1587. Koch King Naranarayan died in 1587. Question number 55. To whom did Laluksola Borphukon surrender Guwahati? Laluksola Borphukone Guwahati কাক সমৰ্পণ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option C. Prince Azam Tara. Laluksola Borphukon surrendered Guwahati to Prince Azam Tara. Question number 56. When did the Burmese first come to Assam? মানসকল অসমলৈ প্ৰথম কেতিয়া আহিছিল? The correct answer is option B, 1817. The Burmese first came to Assam in 1817. Question number 57. What is the name of the dance performed by the Bodo tribe of Assam during the Boisagu festival? বৈশাগু উৎসৱৰ সময়ত অসমৰ বড়ো জনগোষ্ঠীয়ে পৰিৱেশন কৰা নৃত্যৰ নাম কি? The correct answer is option A, Bagurumba. Bagurumba dance is performed by the Bodo tribe of Assam during the Boisagu festival. Question number 58. Where is the first Gurudwara of Assam located? অসমৰ প্ৰথম গুৰুদ্বাৰা ক'ত অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option D, Dhuburi. The first Gurudwara of Assam is located in the Dhuburi town. Question number 59. In which place of Assam is Tezpur Central University located? অসমৰ কোন ঠাইত তেজপুৰ কেন্দ্ৰীয় বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option C, Nopam. The Tezpur Central University is located at Nopam. Question number 60. When was the Assam Panchayat Act passed? অসম পঞ্চায়ত আইন কেতিয়া গৃহীত হৈছিল? The correct answer is option D, 1994. The Assam Panchayat Act was passed in 1994. Question number 61. The place where the Forensic Laboratory of Assam is located is অসমৰ ফৰেনচিক লেবৰেটৰী থকা ঠাইখন হ'ল? The correct answer is option A, Guwahati. The Forensic Laboratory of Assam is located in Guwahati. Question number 62. The Sifung is a musical instrument of which tribe of Assam? Sifung অসমৰ কোন জনগোষ্ঠীৰ বাদ্যযন্ত্ৰ? The correct answer is option D, Bodo tribe. The Sifung is a musical instrument of the Bodo tribe of Assam. Question number 63. Judima is the traditional liquor of which tribe of Assam? Judima অসমৰ কোন জনগোষ্ঠীৰ পৰম্পৰাগত সুৰা? The correct answer is option C, Dimasa tribe. Judima is the traditional liquor of the Dimasa tribe of Assam. Question number 64. Sujen is the traditional liquor of which tribe of Assam? Sujen অসমৰ কোন জনগোষ্ঠীৰ পৰম্পৰাগত সুৰা? The correct answer is option B, Deuri tribe. Sujen is the traditional liquor of the Deuri tribe of Assam. Question number 65. Apong is the traditional liquor of which tribe of Assam? Apong অসমৰ কোন জনগোষ্ঠীৰ পৰম্পৰাগত সুৰা? The correct answer is option D, Mising tribe. Apong is the traditional liquor of the Mising tribe of Assam. Question number 66. Ju is the traditional liquor of which tribe of Assam? Jo অসমৰ কোন জনগোষ্ঠীৰ পৰম্পৰাগত সুৰা? The correct answer is option B, Bodo tribe. Ju is the traditional liquor of the Bodo tribe of Assam. Question number 67. What is the traditional liquor of the Karbi tribe of Assam called? অসমৰ কাৰ্বি জনগোষ্ঠীৰ পৰম্পৰাগত সুৰা কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? The correct answer is option C, Hor Alang. The traditional liquor of the Karbi tribe of Assam is called Hor Alang. Question number 68. What is the youth dormitory of the Misings called? মিচিংসকলৰ ডেকা চাঙক কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? The correct answer is option A, Murong. The youth dormitory of the Misings is called Murong. Question number 69. Which Assamese writer is also known as Giti Kobi? কোনজন অসমীয়া সাহিত্যিকক গীতি কবি বুলিও জনা যায়? The correct answer is option A, Parbhoti Prasad Borua. Parbhoti Prasad Borua is also known as Giti Kobi. Question number 70. Dokhona is the traditional dress of which tribe of Assam? দখনা অসমৰ কোন জনগোষ্ঠীৰ পৰম্পৰাগত সাজ পোছাক? The correct answer is option B. Bodo tribe. Dokhana is the main traditional dress worn by the Bodo women. Question number 71. An agricultural festival celebrated by the Mising tribe of Assam is অসমৰ মিচিং জনগোষ্ঠীয়ে উদযাপন কৰা এটি কৃষি উৎসৱ হ'ল? The correct answer is option B. Porak. The Porak festival of the Mising tribe in Assam is celebrated every 2 to 3 years after a harvest season. The festival is celebrated in the Assamese months of Ahin-Kati. Question number 72. Which Assamese won the gold medal in the Asian Games in 1966? 1966 চনত এছিয়ান গেমছত কোনজন অসমীয়াই সোণৰ পদক লাভ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option A. Bhugeshwar Borua. Bhugeshwar Borua won gold medal in an 800-meter running event at the 1966 Asian Games. Question number 73. When is Abhiruchi Sports Day celebrated? Abhiruchi ক্রীড়া দিবস কেতিয়া পালন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option A. September 3. Abhiruchi Sports Day is celebrated annually in Assam on September 3 to honor the birth anniversary of Bhugeshwar Borua, the state's first Arjuna awardee. Question number 74. Who won the Arjuna Award in 2016 from Assam? 2016 চনত অসমৰ পৰা কোনে অৰ্জুন বঁটা লাভ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option B. Shiv Thapa. Shiv Thapa won the Arjuna Award in 2016 from Assam. Question number 75. Which Assamese athlete won the bronze medal in women's welterweight event at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics? 2020 চনৰ টকিঅ' অলিম্পিকত মহিলাৰ ৱেলটাৰৱেট ইভেণ্টত কোনগৰাকী অসমীয়া খেলুৱৈয়ে ব্ৰঞ্জৰ পদক লাভ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option C. Laflina Borgohain. Laflina Borgohain won the bronze medal in women's welterweight event at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. Question number 76. Who is the first martyr of Assam movement? অসম আন্দোলনৰ প্ৰথম শ্বহীদ কোন? The correct answer is option A. Khorgeshwar Talukdar. Khorgeshwar Talukdar is the first martyr of Assam movement. Question number 77. When was the language movement started in Assam? অসমত ভাষা আন্দোলন কেতিয়া আৰম্ভ হৈছিল? The correct answer is option C. 1960. The language movement was started in Assam in 1960. Question number 78. When was the Guwahati University established? Guwahati বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় কেতিয়া প্ৰতিষ্ঠা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option C. 1948. The Guwahati University was established on January 26, 1948. Question number 79. Who was the first martyr of the language movement? ভাষা আন্দোলনৰ প্ৰথম শ্বহীদ কোন আছিল? The correct answer is option A. Ranjit Borpujari. Ranjit Borpujari was the first martyr of the language movement. Question number 80. When was the capital of Assam shifted from Shillong to Dispur? অসমৰ ৰাজধানী কেতিয়া শ্বিলঙৰ পৰা দিছপুৰলৈ স্থানান্তৰ কৰা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option C. 1973. The capital of Assam was shifted from Shillong to Dispur in 1973. Question number 81. In which year Bengali was declared as the official language of Assam? কোন চনত বাংলা ভাষাক অসমৰ চৰকাৰী ভাষা হিচাপে ঘোষণা কৰা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option B. 1836. Bengali was declared as the official language of Assam in 1836. Question number 82. Where is Kumar Bhaskar Verma Sanskrit and Ancient Studies University located in Assam? কুমাৰ ভাস্কৰ বৰ্মা সংস্কৃত আৰু পুৰাতন অধ্যয়ন বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় অসমত ক'ত অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option C, Nalbari. Kumar Bhaskar Verma Sanskrit and Ancient Studies University is located in the Nalbari district of Assam. Question number 83. Who compiled the first Assamese dictionary? প্ৰথম অসমীয়া অভিধান কোনে সংকলন কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option A, Miles Bronson. Miles Bronson compiled the first Assamese dictionary in 1867. Question number 84. In which year was Gopinath Bordoloi posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna? কোন চনত গোপীনাথ বৰদলৈক মৰণোত্তৰভাৱে ভাৰত ৰত্ন বঁটা প্ৰদান কৰা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option D, 1999. Gopinath Bordoloi was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1999. Question number 85. The terracotta industry in Assam has developed in. অসমৰ terracotta উদ্যোগৰ বিকাশ হৈছে. The correct answer is option C, Dhuburi district. The terracotta industry in Assam has developed in the Dhuburi district of Assam. Question number 86. The Department of Act East Policy Affairs under the government of Assam was set up in. অসম চৰকাৰৰ অধীনস্থ Act East Policy Affairs বিভাগটো স্থাপন কৰা হৈছিল. The correct answer is option C, 2017. The Department of Act East Policy Affairs under the government of Assam was set up in 2017. Question number 87. In which place of Assam is Regional Coffee Research Station located? অসমৰ কোন ঠাইত আঞ্চলিক কফি গৱেষণা কেন্দ্ৰ অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option C, Difu. The Regional Coffee Research Station is located at Difu in the Karbi Anglong district of Assam. Question number 88. The book written by Syed Abdul Malik about Jyoti Prasad Agarwala is. Jyoti Prasad Agarwalar বিষয়ে সৈয়দ আব্দুল মালিকে লিখা কিতাপখন হৈছে. The correct answer is option D, Roop Tirthor Yatri. Roop Tirthor Yatri is the book written by Syed Abdul Malik about Jyoti Prasad Agarwala. Question number 89. When is Rhino Day observed in Assam? অসমত কেতিয়া গড় দিৱস পালন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option C, 22nd September. Rhino Day in Assam is observed on the 22nd of September. Question number 90. Assam Police Day is observed on. অসম আৰক্ষী দিৱস পালন কৰা হয়. The correct answer is option D, October 1. Assam Police Day is observed on October 1. Question number 91. When is the Lok Kalyan Divas observed in Assam? অসমত কেতিয়া লোক কল্যাণ দিৱস পালন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option C, August 5. The Lok Kalyan Divas is observed in Assam on August 5. The Lok Kalyan Divas is celebrated every year on 5th August to commemorate the death anniversary of Lokpriya Gopinath Bordoloi. Question number 92. Where was the last capital of Ahom Kingdom? আহোম ৰাজ্যৰ শেষ ৰাজধানী কি আছিল? The correct answer is option B, Jorhat. Jorhat was the last capital of Ahom Kingdom. Question number 93. Which of the following musical instruments of Assam is usually made of bamboo? অসমৰ তলৰ কোনটো বাদ্যযন্ত্ৰ সাধাৰণতে বাঁহেৰে তৈয়াৰ কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option D, toka. Toka is made of bamboo. Question number 94. Where is the Toklai Tea Research Center located? টুকুলাই চাহ গৱেষণা কেন্দ্ৰ ক'ত অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option A, Jorhat. The Toklai Tea Research Center is located in Jorhat. Question number 95. Bhairav Kundo is a tri-junction of which of the following? Bhairav Kundo তলৰ কোনটোৰ ত্ৰিসংযোগ? The correct answer is option B, Assam, Bhutan, Arunachal Pradesh. Bhairav Kund is a tri-junction of Assam, Bhutan and Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 96. Which of the following novels was written by Padma Shri Rangbong Terang? তলৰ কোনখন উপন্যাস পদ্মশ্ৰী ৰংবং তেৰাঙে ৰচনা কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option C. ৰংমিলিৰ হাঁহি. ৰংমিলিৰ হাঁহি was written by Padma Shri Rangbong Terang. Question number 97. In which year was the Nehru Stadium established? কোন চনত নেহৰু ষ্টেডিয়াম প্ৰতিষ্ঠা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option C. 1962. The Nehru Stadium was established in 1962. Question number 98. In which year was the Assam Football Association founded? কোন চনত অসম ফুটবল সন্থা প্ৰতিষ্ঠা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option D. 1946. The Assam Football Association was founded in 1946. Question number 99. In which year was the Bordoloi Trophy tournament started? কোন চনত বৰদলৈ ট্ৰফি প্ৰতিযোগিতা আৰম্ভ হৈছিল? The correct answer is option A. 1952. The Bordoloi Trophy tournament was started in 1952. Question number 100. In which year was the Assam Cricket Association formed? কোন চনত অসম ক্ৰিকেট সন্থা গঠন হৈছিল? The correct answer is option C. 1948. The Assam Cricket Association was formed in 1948.